Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Cricut Explore Air 2 to etch on metal. We're going to switch out our normal cutting blade for an etching tool like this. With etching, you can make your own keychains, dog tags, and more. Now I know what you're thinking. The Air 2 does not have an etching mode or an etching tool. So we're going to trick our cutter into thinking it's cutting vinyl or paper. With these simple steps, you'll be engraving in no time. Like I said, the first thing we're going to do is switch out our normal cutting blade for an etching tool. This tool will go in the right side in the B slot. Clip it in tight and you're ready to go. Now you can get this same tool on Amazon. Just make sure it says Air 2 under models. I found that this model fit my machine the best, and at the price I couldn't beat it. Now you're probably asking yourself, what would we etch on? On Amazon, they have etching blanks of every size and shape imaginable, so the possibilities are really endless. Today we're going to be etching on black aluminum plates. Now you can use any SVG cutting file in your library. I suggest using files with the least amount of details. Now if you need new files, or you're looking for something in particular, I suggest checking Etsy. There are lots of sellers who sell packs of SVG file. Here you can find any kind of SVG file you'll ever need. Now let's get to cutting. Let's start up Cricut Design Space. Now you're going to browse and upload your images from wherever you have them stored. For this exercise, we're going to use this cute little pug in sunglasses. Now we're going to use the Contours tool to remove any parts that we don't want. Now that we have the image that we want, it's time to resize. Once we know what size we're using, we can send our file over to the cutter. Now we set up our blank on our cutting mat. You're going to align the blank on the cutting mat the same as it is aligned in the cutting screen. Next, we turn up the pressure on the cutter from vinyl to bonded fabric. Now we insert our mat in the guide and we press load. Once the machine is ready, we press the Cricut button. Keep an eye on the machine in case it jams up. Now the moment of truth. Press the Cricut button and watch it cut. Etching doesn't take any longer than cutting vinyl and typically takes a few minutes. Once the machine stops, we can eject our blank. And there we have it. Pug with shades. Now we push the eject button and we pull our cutting mat from the machine. The design is complete. Now be very careful, do not touch the etching when it comes out of the machine. There's lots of sharp dust on it. I use an adhesive lint remover to pull all the dust off. See, etching is just as simple as cutting vinyl, just a few different steps. Once all the dust has been removed, you can pull the design from the mat. One trick I learned from working with different blanks is to create an alignment card. This helps you align the blank on the cutting mat. This helps to make loading your blanks easier. With Cricut cutters, the possibilities are truly endless. From dog tags to award nameplates, there are millions of ways to use etching. Turn your Cricut 2 into an etching machine. Etching can be as easy as cutting vinyl. All you need is the right tools. It's just one more use for these very versatile machines. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your etching projects are in the comments. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.